Anya from Cooking with Plants, and today I'm making gluten-free peanut chickpea burgers. So let's get started. For this recipe I'm using my food processor and I'm adding in 1 can of drained chickpeas, 1 medium grated carrot, 1 tablespoon of flax meal mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, and just let this sit for a while until it becomes gelatinous and almost egg-like. So this will be your vegan egg replacer in this dish. 2 dried apricots that have been soaked in 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Again, just 20 or 30 minutes of soaking is all that you need for that. Next, I'm adding in a handful of coriander. If you don't like coriander, just add any herb that you like. Basil's great, or you could add parsley, or even a mixture of herbs would be absolutely fantastic. Next, I'm adding in 1 cup of roasted peanuts. You can also add mixed nuts to this, so I actually do have a few almonds in there as well. Totally up to you which nuts that you want to use. I'm also adding in ½ a cup of cornflakes. If you don't have cornflakes or you don't want to use them, just use some breadcrumbs of your choice. And the final ingredient going in is 1 teaspoon of vegan stock powder, or you could use some salt. And I've also added a few chili flakes, but you can leave them out if you don't like your food spicy. And then give this a process. Just stop the machine after about 30 seconds and just push down everything from the sides, and then just give it another quick process after that, just to combine everything really well. Okay, so this has been processing for a total of about 40 seconds, and I'm just going to remove the blade because I don't really like to chop my fingers off, and I'll just set this aside. And then this mixture is ready to shape. It's nice and combined. It smells absolutely delicious, and it will actually make about 4 large patties, or you can shape them into smaller meatball shapes, whatever you like. But today I'm making burgers, so it'll be big patties. So you can cook these burgers however you like. You can bake them, you can put them in an air fryer. Today I'm going to use a non-stick pan for this. Just place it into a hot pan, ready to go. I'm not using any oil. And then just cook them about 5 to 10 minutes on each side until they're nice and browned on the outside and ready to eat. Okay, so my burger is cooked and I'm super hungry, ready for my lunch. Can't wait to eat this. As you can see, these hold up really well. Absolutely fantastic. And I hope you do give these a try because they are delicious. Speaking of delicious, it's time to taste test. Yum. Have a second mouthful. These are so tasty, quick and easy to make. Definitely give them a try. Remember, you can print the recipe off my website at CookingWithPlants.com. I'd love to hear what you think, and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. Oh, yum.